Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Hyperion. It's just launched on Binance Alpha, and I will show you how to buy it and also discuss about the projects and price prediction. So first, you can open your Binance apps, then go to your search box here in the top. Make sure you have signed in. After that, you can search Rion. You will find Rion on Alpha. You can click it, and then this is the charts, guys. As you can see, this chart is really good for the new launch token. It's not dumb. I think it's bullish. So if you see info here, you can click info here. You can see the details. So the 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. The volume is really good. And the circulating supply only 17 million. It's very potential, and the total supply only 100 million. It's very good. So the market cap is only around 18 million. It's very early, I think. And so if you want to buy it, it's very easy. First, you can just click right here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit order. You can put your order here. Let's say I will buy on like this, and then you can put the amount Rion you want to buy like this, and you will see the USDC amount, and you can just place the order, or you can also buy it by instant. You can just swap your USDT or other token to Rion. And for the price prediction, I personally think it's can reach $2. I personally, in the few days or weeks, I believe it will reach the $2, because in the first day it's very strong, and if the project really good, the developer is good, it will go higher. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.